In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make TikTok edits on Capcut full screen for TikTok. As you can see right now, I'm on my phone. I am on the Capcut app. And what you want to do to make a video or photos like full screen for TikTok, you want to go to a new project and find a video you want to edit. I have one right here, but as you can see, the video is a bit too wide. Like it's not in the TikTok frame. So what you want to do, you want to go to Capcut and then scroll till you see format right here. So I have it right here. Then you want to hit that, and as you can see, normally it was on fit, but you want to change it to 9:16, which is the second one. And that's exactly the frame that TikTok uses. So if we go ahead and export this as a new file, and we put this on TikTok, it will exactly be full screen once you upload this. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.